I have this Alco Diesel set. It's a dual drive AC, original reverse, and it has the diesel horn. Looks like it needs a new capacitor, but the speaker looks intact. The screw's missing. But I don't know what I want to do with it. I have two bodies. I have a satin Sante Fe, and then I have a chrome Sante Fe, which both are really kind of beat up. But this engine runs really nice. I also have a newer DC can that runs really nice. I was going to use one or the other, but I was thinking if I remove this horn, because I've heard it sounds more like a doorbell or something, you know what? I have room right here. I could put in a smoke unit, and if this fits like that, I could bring smoke up that, drill out that chimney and bring smoke up. I thought that might be more fun than this whistle, but it's an idea. If I do that, do I need to consider changing this reverse unit, or everybody happy with that? I do have a Lionel reverse. My understanding is if I wire it properly, it will handle these motors and give you the reverse logic. So just thinking out loud. Give me your thoughts if anybody would be interested in either buying this, how I should fix it up or not, and if I did make some changes, would anybody be interested in it after that? Alright, well, that's my question for the gang today. Inputs would be marvelous. Oh, there's my smoke. It's actually attached, but if you look at it, it would fit right there. Then run a tube up. Could be done. Okay, later.